video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings at Tirupur. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. Firstly, there is a job opening at Arca International for computer operator. Associate's degree in information system is preferred. Minimum 1 year of experience working with computer systems. Demonstrate a thorough knowledge of computer functions and strong computer operation skills. Capable of working efficiently with minimal supervision. Possess strong communication skills and be able to follow directions. Exemplify analytical and problem solving skills and the ability to troubleshoot computer problems that may arise. Superior time management skills are essential in order to ensure work orders are completed on time. Should have a positive attitude and work well with others. I have included the contact details, phone numbers and official email ID address, everything here. You can check with that. You can call on the given numbers for further details. You can check with the job opening and further process. Next, there is a job opening for spa receptionist for Ayana Wellness Spa. Salary offered 10,000 a month. Tirupur Luxury Day Spa looking for a spa receptionist. Experience like Microsoft Office, 1 year, like minimum they are preferring 1 year, but that is not mandatory. Language, English language is preferred. Typing speed 25 words per minute. Duties, handle billing, accounts, inventory, scheduling appointments. Administrative duties, scheduling, answering and routing phone calls, managing social media. Financial duties, expense reports, billing. I have included the contact details here. You can check with that, and address details also provided here. More official email ID address and phone numbers available here. You can check with that for further process. Next, there is a job opening for Annu Kitters Private Limited. They are looking for data entry executive. Salary offered 12,000 to 14,000 a month. Responsibilities and duties are as below. Candidates should complete any degree or diploma and textile related courses are preferable. They are looking for intermediate female candidate with good communication skills and also well known about MS Office, Excel or Word. So there should be a knowledge of MS Office, Excel and Word, and mandatorily 1 year of experience is required. Education qualification, bachelor's in engineering like BE or any degree, and schedule is day shift. Supplemental pay is available, overtime pay, yearly bonus, and education qualification bachelor's. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that for further process. Next, there is a job opening for FedEx Express Mysa. They are looking for courier services and responsible for the completion of operational process at station and hub locations, which may include ramp and sort operations, courier and dispatch operations, ensures process are completed safely and in timely fashion, accuracy and attention to detail, planning and organization skills, interpersonal skills, problem solving skills, team working skills are required. FedEx was there is basic information about the company here. You can check with that, and these are all the details provided, like location, address location is provided here. You can check with that for further details. Next, there is job opening for Euro Exim Services Private Limited. They are looking for overseas business development executive. For female candidate only, there are available 5 posts. Job location and regular office or work from home. Excellent spoken and written English. Candidates should have 6 months to 3 years of experience in customer support or voice international process. Prior experience in customer service industry will be an added advantage. Answer inbound international calls and provide appropriate responses. Reply to inbound customer emails in a professional manner. Fresher or 1 to 2 years of experience in any industry. Salary offered 15,000 to 20,000 with PF and ESI benefits. Okay, this is also for fresher and they are preferring 6 months to 3 years of experience, but that is not mandatory. This is also, there is also eligibility for freshers as well. You can go ahead, and salary offered will be 15,000 to 20,000 a month along with PF and ESI benefits. I have included the contact numbers, address details here, official address details. You can check with that for further process. Next, for the same company, Euro Exim Services Private Limited, they are looking for Ocean Air Shipment Coordinator, male or female. There are available 2 posts. Job location at Tirupur office or work from home due to COVID-19. And excellent spoken and written English communication skills required. Customer service to exporters and importers and executing their shipments with on-time milestone updates. Handling shipments coordination and day-to-day follow-ups. Communicating with our overseas agents and clients about shipment developments step by step. Working with the international logistics software with timely updates. Coordinating with our vendors like transporters, customs broker, etc. and checking and verifying invoices. Fresher or 1 to 2 years of experience in any industry in customer service or operations. Salary level will be 15,000 to 20,000 with PF and ESI benefits. So there is eligibility for freshers as well. You can check with the company for further details. I have provided the official contact address and phone numbers as well. You can check with the company for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Ragam Exports. They are looking for fabric follow-up executive, and 13,000 a month is offered. Job summary is as below. Source, research and develop fabric and communicate to India and US design team including actual samples, costing, lead times and all other required information. Ensure follow up with vendors to meet calendar deadlines surrounding fabric and trim development and bulk lead times. Explore develop options for quicker turnaround with lower minimums than market lead time. Creating access with ready stock fabric vendors in India and overseas. Coordinating with the design team or sales team for the forecast of each new SKUs, doing online on website and arrive with procurement plans, consistently run attribute reports and know current sales, manage on-hand stock and on-order lead time for critical attributes, analyzing the fast-moving fabric, slow-moving stock, obsolete stocks and take appropriate actions in order to maintain optimal inventory carrying cost. So schedule will be day shift. I have included the official address details and contact numbers here. You can check with that for further process. Next, there is a job opening for Sunshine Merchandising. They are looking for store assistant. Salary offered 8,000 to 10,000 a month. Higher secondary pass candidates could apply. Candidates only residing in 15 Velapalam area, like nearby that area, should be applied. Others can excuse responsibility is as below. Auxiliary stock maintenance and reordering, inward material checking and bill passing. Schedule will be day shift and experience 1 year is preferred but that is not mandatory. Education qualification secondary 10th pass as they mentioned here. Higher secondary pass is enough. So on language is required English language. I have included the official address details and contact number here. You can check with the company for further details. Next, there is a job opening for J&P clothing company. They are looking for female data entry. Salary offered 8,000 to 12,000 a month. Female data entry assistant for e-commerce company is required. Basic computer knowledge is required. You can contact on the given number for further details. 9626660095. Experience 1 year is preferred in MS Office but that is not mandatory. Education qualification bachelor's. Typing speed 25 words per minute. Benefits flexible working hours. Industry is related to sales. You can check with the address details here for further details. Next, there is a job opening for ABC Copiers Private Limited. They are looking for office receptionist for female. Salary offered 8,000 a month. They need a front office receptionist for only female candidate. Responsibilities and duties are as below. Daily income and expenses maintaining, spare stock maintaining, attend the service calls, reports send the head office. Key skills, system handling, languages required English and Tamil. Experience required, experienced persons and freshers can also apply. So this is for both candidates, for freshers and for experienced as well. Based on that they may offer salary. You can contact on the given number 98427 and schedule will be day shift. I have also included the official address details here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given number for further details. Next, there is a job opening for MS Apparels. They are looking for quality controller garments. Salary offered 14,000 to 15,000 a month. Urgently required below post. Quality controller and line QC's phone numbers. Experience required minimum 3 years. You can contact on the given number 9659364131. Location will be Nallur, Kengayam Road and Tirupur. They are looking for a quality controller. You can check with the given number for further details. And I have also included the official address details here. You can check with that. Next, they are looking for marketing executive by Safe Fire Industry, Tirupur. Salary offers 16,200 a month. Job summary is as below. Need energetic and enthusiastic sales executive for on-field sales of your fire safety products. Need to have two-wheeler with a license. Need to start immediately. Tirupur candidates are preferred. Enthusiastic freshers with an aptitude for learning will be encouraged. This is a perfect opportunity to work with an industrial product sales to earn invaluable experience to brand and market the product and take it to the next level. Exciting opportunity for future career growth with the incentives based on sales and growth of the company. Responsibilities and duties are as below. Generating sales prospects and managing pipeline, generating revenue by existing clients, forecast sales, develop sales, create and build productive long-lasting relationships with the company, meet personal and team sales target, qualifications and skills required, strong communication, negotiation and interpersonal skills and self-motivated and driven, any diploma or degree qualification, benefits, sales and product training, decent salary, travel allowances, every month sales incentives which are high on the same field. You can check with the given numbers for further details. There is also official email ID address is available here. You can also contact on the given address for further process and further details. So they are offering 16,200 per month. Qualification is any diploma or degree, and this is for freshers also. There is eligibility. You can check with that. As they mentioned, enthusiastic freshers with an aptitude for learning will be encouraged. So this is for freshers as well. You can check with the company for further details on contacting the given numbers. Next, there is a job opening for Hanukkah Private Limited. They are looking for fashion designers. Salary offer 25,000 to 28,000 a month. Location Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. Responsibilities and duties are as below. Exploration of patterns, colors and techniques to create new and unusual print designs, keeping in mind the brand's product range. Development of print designs and planning unique and new placements, motifs and layouts. Research and develop ideas from various sources, scanning, redrawing and changing colorways using software packages to create new effects, to design and develop new prints seasonally, to work with a budget and to deadlines, whilst keeping up with current trends and production techniques. Key skills required: CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. Degree in fashion, work experience maybe 3 years, up to 3 years considered. And they have not mentioned for freshers. You can check with the company for further details. There is a contact number and official address details provided here. You can check with the company for. Next, there is a job opening for Simsys Technologies. They are looking for account assistant. Qualification required BCom, MCom, Tally knowledge is must. Experience required 4 years. Job type is full time. Job duties are as below: monitoring company accounts and conducting quarterly reviews, accounts payable, accounts receivable, profit and loss statements, tax preparation, expense reports, cost reduction proposals, payroll, budgets, internal audits for policy adherence, internal audits for tax codes, presenting budgets and reports to upper management. Additional duties are as below: account reconciliation, invoice processing, running errands, bank deposits, etc. You can contact on the given number for further details. You can also check with the given address for further process, and Tally knowledge is must for this position. You can check with the company for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Vishnu Techs, Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for accounts assistant. Post name account assistant. Male members 3 members are required. Qualification BCom or MCom. Experience required minimum 3 years of experience as accounts assistant. Responsibilities are as below: preparing accounts and tax returns, administering payrolls and controlling income and expenditure, auditing financial information, compiling and presenting reports, budgets, business plans, commentaries and financial statements, analyzing accounts and business plans, providing tax planning services with reference to current legislation, financial forecasting and risk analysis, dealing with insolvency cases, and negotiating the terms of business deals, and moves with clients and associated organizations, meeting and interviewing clients, managing colleagues, workloads, and deadlines. You can contact on the given numbers for further details. I have also included the official email ID address and official contact address here. You can check with that for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for Springfield Exports. They are looking for accounts department for a person. Salary offered 15,000 to 18,000 a month. The responsibilities are as below: management of petty cash transactions, working with generals, sales, and purchase ledgers and spreadsheets, ensuring all payments account amounts and records are accurate, monthly GST return filing, ESIPF monthly payment, follow up on BRC GST return, ROSCL and focus, MS Office and Tally knowledge is must, and experience up to 2 years is considered. Education qualification diploma or degree. Okay, salaries of 15,000 to 18,000, and they are required MS Office and Tally knowledge is must. Okay, for this position you can contact on the given number for further details. I have also included the official contact email ID and address details here. You can check with the company for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for Expo Connects International. They are looking for merchandiser. Salary offered 15,000 to 18,000 a month. Location will be Tirupur. Job description is as below. Responsible merchandiser to follow orders from start to shipment. This is the responsibility. You can check with the company for further details. I will add the contact numbers, official email ID addresses, and contact address here. You can check with the company for further details. If you have any questions, ask me. Next, there is a job opening for Parks College. They are looking for system administrator. Salary offered 12,000 a month. Job overview is as below. System administrator is responsible for the maintenance, configuration, and reliable operation of computer systems and servers. They install hardware and software. Responsibilities for system administrator: responsible for the maintenance, configuration, reliable operation of computer systems, network servers, and virtualization, Linux and Windows. Install and upgrade computer components and software, manage virtual servers, and integrate automation processes, troubleshoot hardware and software errors by running diagnosis, documenting problems and so resolutions, prioritizing problems and assessing impact of issues. Salary offered will be 12,000 per month. Scheduled day shift. Experience up to 1 year is preferred, but that is not mandatory. If you have the required knowledge, you can still apply for this position. Education qualification bachelor's is preferred, and I have included the official address details here. You can check with the organization for further process. I have also included the contact number here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for Royal Classic Polo for Accounts Executive Audit. Salary offered 20,000 a month. Academics: commerce graduate with minimum 4 to 6 years of experience in accounting and audit is required. Special requirements: working knowledge on SAP B1 is must. Should knowledge in financial reporting, GST proficiency, tax audits, filing of GST return, statutory compliance, preparation of P&L and balance sheet, government audit, income tax, TDS proficiency, accounting procedures, accounting reconciliation specialist, budget analysis. Schedule will be day shift. Experience required up to 4 years is considered. Job duties are as below. Manage multiple accounts, ensuring that a high level of customer retention and satisfaction is maintained. Record changes to customer accounts, updating service packages, adding accounts and removing accounts as needed. I have included the official contact address here. You can check with that for further details. Next, there is a job opening for TextMe Trends Private Limited. They are looking for production supervisor. Salary offered 9,313 to 15,000 a month based on the experience or a fresher. It is for a textile company. Need to keep accountability of production style wise and day wise. Schedule will be flexible shift. Experience up to 1 year is preferred, but that is not mandatory as per their update. Education qualification bachelor's is preferred. You can check with the company for further details. I have included the contact address and contact number here. You can check with the company for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comment. Next, there is a job opening for Blues Informatic. They are looking for junior associate position. Salary offered 8,000 a month. Job description: basic information technology level work involving entering data into online database for different clients. Skills required: typewriting, basic computer knowledge and MS Office. Experience: freshers with any graduation. Note: only females are preferable. Job type: full-time. Salary offered 96,000 to 1 lakh per year. Location: Tirupur and Udumalpet. And education qualification as per their update, any degree they have mentioned. You can contact on the given number for further details. I have also included the official contact address and official email ID and official website address here. You can check with the that for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for Junction Fabrics and Apparels Limited. They are looking for apparel sales retail. Salary offered 10,000 to 20,000 a month. You have to greet customer, sell quotes, help customer and suggest, maintain stock and payment. This is the registered office, official address and contact numbers, official email ID address, everything provided here. You can check with that for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for Umapati Poultry Farms. They are looking for accounts assistant. Salary offered 12,000 a month. Tally and work experience preferred. Should be flexible to work area. And schedule is day shift. Tally up to 1 year is preferred, but that is not mandatory as per their update. So if you have the tally and work experience, they are preferring that. But if you are confident that you can do it, you can do that. Still you are eligible. You can contact the company for further details. I have included the contact numbers, address details and official email ID, everything here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, you can ask me below in comment. As you see, expected start date is November 1st, so be ready to apply for this position. Next, there is a job opening for Kanu IT distributor. They are looking for data entry operator, marketing, dealer sales and accounts positions. Salary offered 10,000 a month. There is basic information about the company here. You can check with that. Job description is as below. Data entry operator, basic English knowledge or typewriting, knowledge in computer marketing, door-to-door direct marketing to be specified places. Online marketing, need knowledge in all social media and online portals like Flipkart, Amazon. Application deadline October 31st. Expected start date November 11th, October 11th actually they mentioned, but you can still apply for this position as October 31st is the last date. And education qualification bachelor's. I have included the address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.